Watch as the molten silica hits the custom radial mold. Temperature is critical here.
Precision trimming is essential before the glass hardens.
Shaping the excess while maintaining the core temperature.
Lifting the piece reveals that stunning radial texture.
The final product, a beautifully textured golden glass fan.
The master craftsman inspects the radial pattern for any imperfections.
As the temperature drops, the signature golden hue begins to emerge.
Transferring the piece to the annealing station must be done quickly.
Controlled cooling is vital to prevent thermal shock and cracking.
Tools must be kept in pristine condition for the next pour.
Preparing the mold surface ensures the next piece has a clean texture.
Returning to the furnace to gather fresh molten silica.
Gravity is the enemy here. Constant rotation is key.
The second pour begins, aiming for the exact center of the radial design.
Guiding the flow to ensure every detail of the mold is captured.
Timing the cut is a matter of experience and intuition.
A clean cut separates the product from the gathering rod.
Flattening the back ensures the piece will sit perfectly level.
The master supervisor keeps a vigilant eye on quality control.
Checking tolerances to the millimeter.
Cleaning up the edges while the material is still pliable.
The heat radiating from the piece is intense, even from a distance.
Releasing the glass requires a steady hand to avoid distortion.
The mold's pattern is perfectly transferred to the molten silica.
Teamwork ensures the workflow remains uninterrupted.
Inside the leer, the glass will cool slowly over several hours.
Maintenance of the tools is as important as the craft itself.
Quality assurance. Checking for stress fractures or seeds in the glass.
Every handmade piece carries its own unique fingerprint.
Recycling glass cullet reduces the melting energy required.
The workshop is a symphony of fire, metal, and motion.
Lubricating the mold prevents the glass from sticking during the press.
Safety gear wears out quickly in this extreme environment.
The master passes down techniques refined over decades.
No.
Even the steel tools need rest to recover from the thermal stress.
The finished batch is stacked and ready for final packaging.
Maintaining a consistent mold temperature is crucial for uniformity.
Precision tools are the bridge between art and engineering.
Checking the furnace level to ensure enough material for the day.
The workshop produces a variety of architectural glass components.
Quenching the tools helps manage the heat buildup.
Ensuring the mold housing is secure before the next pour.
Working from detailed blueprints ensures the client's specs are met.
A clean shop floor is essential for safety.
Hydration is critical for the artisans working in this heat.
The rhythm of production resumes for the next piece.
Ready, boss?
Observing the contact point where liquid becomes solid.
Repetition leads to perfection in the glassworks.
Rapid cooling of the waste glass makes it easier to recycle.
Another perfect casting takes shape. Another perfect casting takes shape.
Good job. Approval from the master is the highest praise.
Consistent dimensions across the entire production run.
Handling the glass while soft requires a delicate touch.
From the fire to the shelf, the transformation is complete.
The batch builds up inside the temperature-controlled layer.
Between pours, the team cools down to maintain focus.
Time management is crucial in a production schedule.
Keeping the workspace clear of debris.
Logging the production data for quality tracking.
The result of the day's labor, a stack of golden perfection.
Final polish ensures the customer receives a pristine product.
Protective packaging ensures safe transport.
Securely boxed and ready for shipping.
As the shift ends, the furnace is set to idle.
We finally got it done.
A job well done by the dedicated team.
The tools of the trade rest until tomorrow.
Leaving the workshop, leaving behind a legacy of craft.
It all starts here, with raw sand and fire.
The final masterpiece, ready for installation.
The radial design captures and refracts light beautifully.
Polished edges show the attention to detail.
Functional art that transforms the light in any room.
Signed with pride.
From liquid fire to solid gold.
Dedication to the craft creates timeless beauty.
A true spectacle of industrial art.
Thank you for witnessing the creation process.